Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Monday, June the 11th, 2012. Well, a change of trend today and a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low. But we've seen that change of trend on a black body candle, and throughout the trading day the buyers failed to support this trend to the upside. The sellers actually closed with control of this market by closing down towards the low, and the buyers lost commitment around the important 1333 level of resistance, an area that's been highlighted previously, and in the recent past we've seen the market tested there and we've seen strong selling coming in. So there is a possibility that we could see another change of trend to the downside today, with this area holding its very strong resistance. The market also found resistance at the Kijun-sen, the pink line here, and we know that very often that line or the Tenkan-sen will act as an area of support and resistance, and we've seen price rejection from there. That's made the 1333 level very important, very strong, because of this confluence of resistance in this market. So in terms of the trading day, we've seen the buyers lose commitment once again up around that level, and the sellers take control of the market on an uptrending candle. In terms of the Fibonacci extension for the current uptrend that the market's in, even though the buyers are not supporting the uptrend, we're comparing the current uptrend to the previous time the market was trending up and looking at the relationship of that in terms of the Fibonacci ratios, and we've seen strong price rejection from the 38.2% level at 1331. We have this confluence of resistance at this level around this zone. We have the previous swing high, not just from a recent level, but in the past as well. We have the Kijun-sen around that area, and we have the 38.2% level on this Fibonacci extension, and we've seen strong rejection. The market's selling off very strongly throughout the trading day to close down towards low, so a very important level moving forward for this market. If the market does continue trending up, then we do have potential resistance at the 50% and 61.8% level at 1338 and 1346, but the market will need to see the buyers take strong control of this market to trade through that important area. So in terms of the Fibonacci retracement, and we're now that the market is in an uptrend, we're comparing the uptrend to the previous time the market was trending down, and it was only a very small downtrend, obviously, for one candle, and had a change of trend today, and we've already seen rejection from the 100% level, which just means that previous swing high there that we have. So a confluence of strong resistance within this area. If the market does trend up, then we have the 161.8% level at 1342. In terms of Ichimoku, the market remains bearish in the long-term time frame by trading below the cloud, and also bearish in the medium-term time frame by trading below the Kijun-sen, and we see here that the Kijun-sen held as resistance for this market. That's the first time in quite some time that we've seen the market attempt to trade above the Kijun-sen, so that's important. But the strong rejection from that area tells us that the market quickly found its equilibrium and the sellers have come back in. So that equilibrium has held for only a minor period of time. The market is, however, still trading above the Tenkan-sen. We will be approaching there. It's trading down around the 1300 level and will offer very strong support. So strong support extending from there down to 1295, and then down below to 1277, and just below the 1295 region around 1290. We also have that minor swing low that poked just through there. So a zone of roughly about 10 points or so where we should expect some decent support to come into this market.